Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You need a search-ready profile now. Switch to a creator or business account so you can access insights and link features. Once done, choose a username and display name that include your primary keyword so Instagram can surface you. Make the bio concise. Place the keyword phrase early, state location if relevant, and add one clear call to action with a link. Do this immediately so every future post and story builds on an optimized foundation that search will recognize. Now create content that targets search terms deliberately. Start by researching short and long-tail keywords people use on Instagram. Once you have them, place the primary keyword in the first 2 lines of captions and also an image alt text to boost discoverability. Make reels, carousels, and stories around those keywords to capture different algorithm signals. Post on a consistent schedule and repurpose high-performing posts. This signals relevance and freshness and helps you climb search results over time. Finish by amplifying signals that matter. Encourage saves, shares, and comments with specific CTAs and interactive stickers in stories because engagement drives search ranking. Monitor impressions, profile visits, saves, and follower growth to measure impact and iterate. If visibility suddenly drops, audit your recent captions, alt text, and the first 2 lines for keyword drift. Also check account type and shadow ban symptoms. Make small changes, wait 7-14 days, and reassess so you can recover without guessing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.